I know nobody likes long videos, so don't worry, I'm going to keep it short. In this video, we'll be covering 5 things. First, the pros and cons of quartz. Second, cost. Third, thickness options. Fourth, the best brands out there. Let's start with the pros. First things first, looks amazing. Seriously, quartz is a showstopper. Second, you get 150 plus colors to choose from. So, yes, light colors are definitely an option. Third, it also comes in variety of finishes and textures, from natural glossy to granular, rough and matte, whichever suits your interior design style. Fourth, it's stronger than granite, so you know it's going to last. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages. First, it's not as heat resistant as natural stones, so always use a hot pad or a trivet to avoid damage when placing hot utensils. Second would be price. Expect to pay at least 50% more than granite. Third, if you had to join two slabs, joints can be pretty visible, especially with lighter colored quartz, which is also the most popular choice. Fourth, it is stain resistant but definitely not stain proof, so it's best to keep that in mind. Now, let's move on to cost. Cost can be categorized into three: unbranded quartz, branded quartz, and premium quartz. For unbranded quartz, you're looking at about 25,000 per slab. I personally would not go with unbranded quartz. Branded quartz will fall between 30,000 and 45,000 per slab, and the premium ones start from 50,000 rupees onwards. Now, let's talk about thickness. In terms of thickness, the standard options are 15 mm, 20 mm, and 30 mm. Personally, I'd recommend going with 20 mm. It's the sweet spot, you know. If you want that thicker look, you can just run a beading edge to create the illusion of a 40 mm slab. But please do not put two entire slabs together. Doing so could put unnecessary strain on the cabinets below. Lastly, let's get into brands. So the three brands that I always recommend to my clients are: first, Caesarstone. It is an international brand that sets the benchmark for luxury finishes in quartz countertops. When you compare it to Indian brands, it's clear why Caesarstone stands out, but it's also clear why it's on the pricier side. While Indian brands focus on affordability, Caesarstone is all about that premium feel, which is reflected in both its quality and cost. Second, Kalinga. It is an Indian brand and it's quickly becoming one of the most popular choices across the country. Why? Because it knows exactly what the Indian market wants. It strikes the perfect balance between affordability and design, making it an excellent choice for homes in India. Oh, let's not forget, it comes with decent durability too, so you're covered on all fronts. Third, AGL. This is another Indian brand that offers both quartz as well as granite solutions. It's a cost effective option mostly and is quite similar to Kalinga Stone in terms of its offerings. The main focus here is on delivering value at an attractive pricing, which makes it great for budget conscious buyers. To know more about the brands, check out my next video. That's all for today. Do check out all of my videos. If you find them useful, please do subscribe and share the videos with the ones who are in need of it. Thank you. Bye bye.